GLS4 Math Preparation Course in a Hybrid Environment. Using the Desire to Learn learning environment. About this course. This course has been designed to prepare you to take senior mathematics credit courses. It covers the wide range of topics required to be successful in your grade 11 and/or grade 12 math course of your choice. Easy to follow videos guide you through the topics covered in each lesson. The course is divided into 4 modules. Each module contains a diagnostic, 5 lessons, a module summative. A diagnostic is a series of questions that you will answer. The purpose of the diagnostic is to provide data on what your skill level is before starting the course. When completing the module, you will build your skill level in the areas that you were weak in. Each lesson is divided into learning goals, a list of what you will be learning in the lesson. Success criteria. How will you know if you are successful? Have you learned the concepts that you needed to? The criteria that you will use to know if you have learned your material is listed in the Success Criteria section of the home page for the lesson. Are you ready? This section provides a list of the concepts that are needed to be successful before you start the lesson. Minds On. Minds On is the section designed to get you focused on the topic that is being presented in the lesson. Some people consider this a lesson hook to get you interested in the exciting information being presented in the lesson. Action. In this section, the learning occurs. Here you will click on this icon to load videos. Again, the videos are step by step walking you through the lesson concepts. Clicking on this icon will open the video worksheet. The worksheet guides you through the key concepts presented in the video. As you watch the video, you will answer the questions on the video worksheet. This will serve as your lesson note, which will be used as you complete your quizzes and projects for the lesson. Clicking on this icon will open a worksheet for you to build your skills. The answers are provided where you can instantly check if you are correct. Please note, if you feel confident you know this material, you can move to the lesson quiz and project. This will allow you to complete the lesson faster and perhaps complete your course faster. Consolidation. This section summarizes the material covered in the lesson. For this section of the lesson, you will complete a quiz. These quizzes can be found as one of the menu options at the top of the D2L learning screen. Notice quizzes are at the end of the list. You must achieve a mark greater than 75 on the lesson quiz to continue to the next section, the project. You are given 3 attempts to achieve this mark. If you are still having difficulty with the concepts of the quiz, you may need to review the videos or perhaps complete the worksheets. If you are still having trouble, please email your teacher to ask for further assistance or check if a colleague, a peer, or online, and they could collaborate with you, hopefully to get you to understand. Once you've finished the quiz, you'll now move to the next section, the project. In this section, you will complete the lesson project. The icon displayed here will allow you to open the project when you click on it. When you have completed the project, you will submit it to the teacher using the Dropbox. Each lesson has their own Dropbox. To submit your work, it must first be placed into an electronic format. Take a picture of it, use a scanner, use your camera, use your cell phone. You will learn how to do this as you complete this course. The Dropbox will be found in the course menu, and it's found in the middle of the menu as shown here in the diagram, the Dropbox. At the end of each module is the module summative. In each module summative, you will be asked to answer a variety of questions that will allow you to demonstrate the skills you have acquired while you've been completing the lessons of that module. How your mark is calculated. Each module is worth 17.5% of your final mark, 5% for each lesson quiz and project, 12.5% for the summative project. A final summative or summatives are worth 30%. These could include a final exam, a final project, or perhaps both. How to track your grades. As you complete each assessment required, quizzes and projects, the mark is entered into grades. Again, you can find this on the menu of your D2L course, shown here in the diagram. Note, when tracking your grades, you will notice the weighting is set differently than the mark percentages we've just discussed. That's a function of the learning environment D2L program, but it does work out for you. Conditional releases. This course is set up using conditional releases. Conditional releases ensure that you are understanding each concept before moving to the next concept. Quizzes. A quiz score greater than 75 must be achieved before the project becomes available to you. The project must be submitted into the Dropbox before the next lesson is available. How to communicate with your teachers and your peers. Collaboration, or working together, is a big part of learning in the hybrid environment. If you are not understanding a topic, send your teacher an email. The discussion option can be used by your teacher to allow for collaboration between you and your classmates. You're not alone. Communicate. Here is the discussion section on your menu option bar. Now it's time to get started.